Hi there, mga partners. And right now, gusto ko lang i-share ang isang simple technique or strategy. Paano ba nyo nasi-share ang Facebook fan page post, no? Kung saan gusto nyo yung specific post lang ang gusto nyong i-share. Like, ayaw nyo lang dalhin dun mismo sa Facebook page nyo and you just want one post to share, like for example, um, just one. Gusto nyo i-share tong post na to and ayaw nyo sila pumunta sa Facebook page nyo and you just want to share one post. So it's really easy dun sa mga hindi nakakaalam, medyo hindi siya obvious kung paano ginagawa. Pero dun sa nakakaalam, I know you're doing this. So what you need to do is you just get the permanent link, na, or the permalink of the post. So ito, hindi mo siya gusto mo siyang i-share yung isang post ng Facebook page mo, pero hindi mo siya makukuha kasi pag ipopost mo yung buong um, Facebook page URL, so pupunta siya doon mismo sa Facebook page mo. Whereas kung gusto mo talagang isang post lang i-share mo, you can get the permanent link of that Facebook post. Okay. Paano mo ginagawa yun? Napakadali lang. So here, I want to show you the steps and how to do it. Simple lang to. All you need to do is to click on the date or the time it was posted. For example, this one is posted on September 27. Okay, if you're going to click this one, so you're sent to the post, the link of the post. So yun lang mismo ang nakikita nila, yun lang ang share mo, ang post, isang post na gusto mo share. At makakuha mo yung permanent link dito. So ito yung tinatawag na perma link. Okay? So I hope that helps, and it's a simple technique on how to post your permanent link from your Facebook page or to your wall post. Okay, I think that's all for this simple tutorial. I hope it helps. Have a blessed day, everyone.